Hey guys, and it's here, the Samsung Galaxy A8s. It's officially announced with the Infinity O displays, the world's first. Samsung has indeed beaten Huawei and Lenovo and Honor in this Infinity O race. This is indeed the first in-hole camera phone in the world, and also it's the first Samsung phone with no headphone jack. Yes, the Galaxy A8s is the first Samsung phone without the headphone jack. This is Samsung's way of telling you that a change might be coming in the far future. So it's a very special Samsung phone for a lot of reasons, and the design you see on this phone will be on the Galaxy S10 and S10 Plus as well. We have some exciting news on that, but we'll take a look at that later. But first, the Samsung Galaxy A8s, we have a 6.4-inch Full HD Plus 19.5 by 9 aspect ratio Infinity O display. And with trim bezels all around, it looks very futuristic. This is an LCD display, not OLED. OLED Infinity O is reserved for the Galaxy S10 family, so the best of Samsung has yet to come, but still, this looks pretty good. The hole on this phone is a 6.7mm wide, and in reality, it does look big if you notice it, but it's Samsung's first try. And it's also a mid-range phone. So for a mid-range level phone, I think the design is looking pretty good. We already know that the hole on the Galaxy S10 family will be about 3mm smaller than this hole. And of course, with an OLED display technology, everything will be better. So inside this hole, we have a 24-megapixel camera with f2.0 aperture. Towards the back, you can see we have the fingerprint scanner as well as 3 cameras in vertical position. These cameras are similar to the recent Galaxy A7 2018. So you've got the 24-megapixel main sensor with a large f1.7 aperture, a secondary 10-megapixel telephoto lens with f2.4 opening. The third one is used only for depth sensing, and it's at 5 megapixel with f2.2 aperture. Inside the phone, we have a 3400 mAh battery with fast charging over USB Type-C port, and also it comes with Android 8.1 Oreo out of the box with Samsung's UI. One of the best things is that this is the first Samsung phone to also have the Snapdragon 710 chip. It's not a flagship chip, but still it is very capable of giving you a great performance. Now, Samsung has indeed won the race in this Infinity O battle. It's the first phone to have this technology, but it's also the first Samsung phone with no headphone jack. And why would Samsung drop a headphone jack on a mid-range level phone when the Galaxy S10, the upcoming S10, is still having the headphone jack? It's a little bit weird. I honestly believe that this is Samsung telling us that a change might be coming in the future. But as of now, they're not doing that with their flagship phones, aka the S10 family. We have a new case leak that confirms the headphone jack is still there. Also, the OLED for Beyond 2, aka the S10 Plus model, has been seen in the wild, basically further confirming the pill-shaped infinity hole cameras towards the top right-hand side. More case leaks via Forbes.com. We have a case from Ghost Tech, and that shows the back design of the Galaxy S10 Plus with 3 cameras, and also the button placement, which is same as the last year's models. We have the volume and Bixby on the left and power key on the right. So yeah guys, do not worry, Samsung is still keeping the headphone jack on their flagship phones that are coming in 2019. With the death of headphone jack on this Samsung Galaxy A8s phone, that could be a sign that something like this could happen in the future. But again, I'm really excited about the Galaxy S10 family, and I'm also really interested in this particular phone. Let me know your thoughts about this decision of headphone jack in the comment section below, and what you think about the S10 family. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.